Welcome back to Ben Tries Food. Today we'll be making chili con carne. This will be based off the basics with Babish carnivore chili. I know I'm probably going to butcher the pronunciation, but you will need 4 types of chili for this recipe: guajillo, chipotle, ancho, and arbol. Deseed and destem your chillis, tearing them into smaller pieces and then toast them for a few minutes over a medium heat until fragrant. Add just enough water to cover the chillis. Let it come to a simmer, then turn off the heat and cover, leaving it to steep for 10 minutes. Put the chillis and the water from the pan in the blender and blitz until smooth. The chili paste will have the most amazing aroma. Dice your meat into cubes. Ours was mountain on pork shoulder. Heat the oil hot enough to have little wisps of smoke, and then add half to a Dutch oven, turning until all sides are brown. You only need half the meat, or you'll crowd the pot. Once done, you should have a lovely brown fond on the bottom, which will add tons of flavour. Now add your rough chopped white onion and saute for a few minutes, before adding in your crushed garlic. Cook until fragrant and then add 4 cups of stock, making sure to scrape up all the fond off the bottom. Add your meat back to the pot, along with your chili paste. Let it come to a near boil and then add ground allspice, ground coriander seed, smoked paprika, oregano and tomato paste. Partially cover the pot and let it simmer for 1.5 to 3 hours, depending on how much meat and how long it takes to soften. Once it is reduced to your liking, add masa harina to thicken and then lime juice to help cut through the heat. I also added the rind of 1 lime. is a good point to taste test and adjust. My arbol chili added a bit too much heat, so I needed the juice of another lime, some honey, and a little extra masa harina to stop it from punching me in the face. The end result is a beautiful smooth chili, fragrant, with just enough heat to leave a tingle at the back of the mouth that builds as you go through the bowl. We chose to serve with some sour cream, cheese and corn chips, as well as some cornbread with, in my best Babish impression, honey butter, that you'll see in a future video. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a like and subscribe to catch our weekly content.